How to connect your phone to VSeeFace through the VTube Studio app. Here's what you'll need: your phone, a computer or laptop, the mobile version of VTube Studio, a stable internet connection, VSeeFace, and of course a VROID model. Before we begin, keep in mind that for this tutorial, this feature doesn't require a premium version of VTube Studio. And yes, this works for both iPhone and Android, however tracking will vary on your device. At this moment, there is only a wireless method. Back to the tutorial. For this video, we'll be doing this on iPhone, but for Android users, this step will still apply to you. You'll first want to open up the VTube Studio app, then click on the gear icon. From there, scroll down until you see the section Third-Party PC Clients, and then enable it. Once you do that, either swipe to the Notifications tab on your phone and click on the Wi-Fi icon, or go into your phone settings and scroll till you see your Wi-Fi settings. From there, click on the internet that you're connected to and look for the numbers that are on the IP address section. This number is very important. I won't be showing mine for privacy reasons. From there, we want to open up VSeeFace on our computer or laptop. Import and select the model you'll be using. Once your model is loaded in, select the General Settings button and scroll down until you see iPhone/ARKit Tracking Receiver. Enable it, then click Show IP Address, and then type in the IP address that was on your phone. Back to our phone, make sure you go into the VTube Studio app, then make sure your camera is calibrated in the VTube Studio by pressing the camera icon. Double-click it again to get rid of the window. And your model should be tracking properly now. Make sure to set your phone in a spot where you have good lighting and the camera can see your face clearly for best results. And have fun with your model!